You guys, you are welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Hawaii Matse, and I study here in Russia General Medicine in the city which is called Tomska at Siberian State Medical University. So on my YouTube channel, I talk about how international student can get a scholarship. I know you get a scholarship. So what you have to do, just subscribe. So now we are going to talk about, and I'm gonna give you a full funded scholarship to go to study in United Kingdom, Britain. So my friend, subscribe, then let's go. You guys, without losing our time, let us start. As it is written here, it is public announcement or any official announcement for all Ugandan students who went to study in UK, United Kingdom, Britain. So my friend, don't miss this scholarship. Here they are telling you that the Higher Education Council NES wish to inform the general public that through the bilateral cooperation between the government of Uganda and Commonwealth, the latter has offered to the government of Uganda 7 full funded scholarships for those who went to study masters and 16 full funded scholarships for those who went to study PhD from next year. Yeah, you see, as you see here, they are telling you applicants are required to choose only one of the following 6 terms. So you can choose science and technology for development, strengthening health system and capacity, promoting global prosperity, strengthening resilience and response to crises, access, increase, and opportunity. Apart from that, they are telling you that interested candidates should submit all of the following application documents. So you have to submit these documents. That there must be application letter addressed to the executive director of NES, copy of valid passport, curriculum of it, 2 recent passport size photos. Apart from that, you have to submit both original notified degree certificate and academic transport. So here there must be notified. If there is no notification, they don't receive your application. Apart from that, you must write recommendation letter from the academic staff from the university where the candidate accomplished previous studies. So you have to write to take the conversion letter from your college. I mean from your university. Yeah, you understand. Here, please note. So hano barakubwira ko icyitonderwa ni ukuvuga ati the above mentioned application document will be submitted online. So you have to take all of document and you submit online by using this link. You see, let me show you this link. You see this link. The following candidate applying for masters should possess a minimum 17% of on-days transcripts as cut of marks in the related field. Here, a candidate applying for PhD should possess a minimum 63 on-days transcripts as cut of marks in the related field. So you understand, you must hear that giving you a condition of marks you must have. So another things we can read for ourselves, they are telling you that here you see only candidate nominated by NES are the one who will later be allowed or requested to do online application to the Commonwealth in the UK. So NES, here they are telling you, after submitting your documents, NES will select some students and tell them to apply to the Commonwealth in the UK. So my friend, don't forget here application deadline. It's about next month. It will be the end of application, my friend. This is official announcement. So don't forget to share and subscribe. Then see you next week. I love you too much. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you.